Hey everyone, Sam here, founder of Outplayed.com, and this is a quick FAQ session about match betting. Match betting has been around for a long time and it's a proven way of earning some extra cash. However, I totally understand why someone might be skeptical before starting. So let me answer some common questions from those starting out. Can I lose money doing this? No, you can't. When you're match betting, the outcome of an event makes no difference, so it doesn't matter if your team wins, loses, or draws. You're not putting anything to chance. So as long as you follow our instructions, you cannot lose money. How much money do I need to get started? With match betting, you can get started with as little as 50 quid. Generally speaking, the more cash that you've got available, the more offers you can do in quick succession, because otherwise you're waiting for withdrawals to hit your bank account before you can move on to the next offer. So more money is helpful to get more offers done quickly, but otherwise just start with as little as £50. I don't like sports. Does that matter? No, you don't need to know anything about sports. You don't need to know anything about betting. We tell you exactly what to bet on. All you have to do is follow our instructions and we do pretty much all of the heavy lifting for you. Is this gambling? No, match betting isn't gambling. Even though you're signing up with bookmakers and placing bets, every time you place a bet, you cover all possible outcomes. Therefore, as long as you do it correctly, you cannot lose, and therefore it's not gambling. How much money can I expect to make? You know, it really depends on how much time you put in and how much effort you put in. The more offers you do, the more money you'll make. We've got members that have been with us for years and have made tens of thousands of pounds over that period of time, but that's not typical. Most of our members will make a few £1,000s or a few hundred quid here and there, and that's enough for them. So it really depends on your situation, but anyone can go through and make at least a few hundred quid just doing the first few sign-up offers. If match betting is so good, why isn't everyone doing it? I get that question a lot, and there's a couple of answers. The first one is a lot of people already are. In fact, since we started 8 years ago, more than 150,000 people in the UK have signed up to use our services. And as for everyone else, well, a lot of people have never even heard of match betting. And for those that have, some people are super skeptical of it, which is a real shame because it really does work. If what you say is true, why don't you just do this yourself instead of sharing it? Match betting is not some kind of secret insider system. You know, there's no tipping involved, there's no insider knowledge, so there's no reason to keep it secret. What we do is make a very complicated process very, very simple. So you can go and do it yourself if you want to. You don't need us to do that. But we make it 1,000 times quicker, 1,000 times easier, and essentially take all of the heavy lifting out of it. I already have accounts with most bookmakers. Can I still make money doing this? Yes. In fact, there are more than 100 different bookmakers out there, and many of them have excellent sign-up offers, so I really doubt you've got accounts with every single one. However, even if you do have accounts with every single one, you actually make most of the money through match betting through existing customer offers, which means even if you already have an account, there are still many, many free bets that you can take advantage of. This all seems too good to be true. What proof do you have to show that it actually works? Well, that's another good question, and really we put our money where our mouth is. We've done everything in our power to ensure that we prove it all works before you pay a penny. That's why we have a 100% free trial where you can start making money straight away. On top of that, we have thousands of reviews on Trustpilot and our trust score is rated excellent. We're always open to ideas of proving that match betting works, so if you have any questions or you want to know anything, please reach out and let us know. Perhaps pop your head into one of our groups and see what all of our active members are up to. You will not regret it. All right, folks, I think that's a wrap. Please, if you do have any questions or any concerns, just reach out and one of our team will get back to you right away.